Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I forgot to film an intro once again, but please enjoy this Vanessa Hudgens inspired look. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in. I kind of lined just the bottom of my brows. I didn't want to do them first, so I'm just going to go ahead and prime with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. We're gonna get started. I hope this turns out okay because my allergies are really bad. So my eyes are really dry, itchy, and they're a little puffy. I am taking medicine, so it doesn't look as bad right now or feel as bad. But I can still feel it, and I've been blowing my nose nonstop. So I really hope this doesn't ruin the video or ruin the makeup during the process. Just thought I'd throw that out there. I'm just gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation.
I'm kind of using a sponge. I like to use a lot.
So it's not as full coverage as I want it. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. So I am done with the foundation. I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna use my Flower Beauty. I forgot how dry, matte this foundation is. So I hope my skin doesn't start to look crusty. I didn't feel the need to do the eyeshadow first this time just because it looks very simple. It kind of looks like maybe she used just like one color, maybe two colors. So I'm hoping it actually looks, or I'm hoping it's actually easy, like just as easy as it looks. What I'm gonna do real quick is prime my eyelids with this e.l.f. primer. I have it in sheer. I really hope this doesn't irritate my eyes, so I'm kind of nervous. Like, can you see how red they are?
Just, like, anything touching my eyes makes it really itchy already.
I'm not gonna set my whole face yet because I don't want to get like too dry just yet. Okay, so the purple that Vanessa has in this picture, like I don't know if I have that exact color. I have two palettes that I'm gonna try. I have the James Charles palette. I'll probably do this purple one and then maybe this one. Or I'm gonna try just the purple one from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So those are the ones I'm gonna be using to kind of hopefully get a close match to like what she has. So I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're just gonna jump in and hopefully it kind of just flows from here. So Vanessa has it all the way brought up to like her eyebrow right here. It's pretty much brought up all the way except for like where you would put your brow bone highlight. And I think the trick to James's palette is to like pack the color on first and then blend it out. This just kind of looks more pink than like what hers looks like. Now she doesn't bring it in all the way to the inner corner. It kind of just stops like in there. She doesn't bring it past her eyebrow. Like if you were to connect this and then this, it literally stops at the tip of her eyebrow. And from this picture, it doesn't look like she has anything like right here. So I think this is kind of it for the most part. I just had to blend and add like a shimmer. This shimmer is a very pretty shimmer. It just looks, it doesn't really look like her kind of shimmer. Oh my I still had swatches on my finger, y'all, and I was trying to wipe away powder. I'm literally so done. BRB. Okay, so I fixed it the best way I could. Hopefully once I'm like done with my whole makeup, and it'll kind of not look as bad. Honestly, guys, I feel like it needs a little bit more shimmer. So I'm gonna take another color. There we go. That lightened it up. I'm actually mixing two colors from the James Charles palette. Okay. So I think that's it. Like, it doesn't look like much, but once the whole makeup's done, you have the eyelashes done, the eyebrows done, it really does make a difference. I am going to do this other eye off camera real quick, and then I will be right back. All right, guys, so I did this eye. We're gonna move on to the brows. She has very thick brows, like compared to like how much I have. Also, like, the front end of her brow comes like way down here, and my brows don't go down that far, so I'm gonna have to I'm gonna try and make it look like hers the best way I can. I hope this doesn't look too crazy. This is literally how far down hers gonna go. I'm nervous because the front of her brow is super like bushy, I guess. Okay, so I think this is as good as the brows are going to get. I'm gonna put a light, very lightly shimmered color in here, just so I have something there. Just gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna tightline my eyes real quick. That makes me nervous because I don't want my eyes to start itching. Like, can you see? It's just like the tiniest bit of difference. Definitely making my eyes itch. Let me pop on some lashes real quick and I'll be right back. I'm gonna do the shadow first and then wipe away this powder. Okay guys, the eyes are done. I'm gonna do the rest of my face real quick, then we'll move on to hair. Okay, so I'm just lightly bronzing. She doesn't really look super tan. Like, she doesn't look super bronzed, but she doesn't look super glowy or matte. She just kind of looks normal. Okay, so I'm done bronzing. I'm gonna go in with this Skinny Dip blush. And this is what it looks like. Her blush looks very light and subtle, and it looks like it kind of has a sheen to it. So that's why I'm gonna go with this one. Like, this one's really subtle. Like, you can build it up, but for the most part, it's pretty natural and like very light. Okay, so my phone just completely shut off and died in the middle of that. So I finished my blush. I went ahead and highlighted with the Rose Petal from Wet n Wild. Her highlight literally looks like it comes down to her cheeks. It's not blinding or anything, so I felt like this highlight was really pretty. She has it on her nose, her lip, her chin, and she looks like she has some right here. So I just added highlight wherever her face looked highlighted. I did forget to do my brow bone, so I'm probably just gonna use the same thing. She has a little beauty mark on the left side of her face, I guess, unless it's a mirrored picture. I don't know. She has a little beauty mark like either over here or over here, and I have one right here, so I'm just gonna darken my own since the makeup kind of covers it up. Because hers is pretty dark. Mine is not that dark, but hers is dark. Like hers is down here. I think that's fine. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think I'm done. She doesn't look like she's wearing eyeliner like on the bottom. So now I'm gonna try and go for the hair. My hair is pretty long and she has short, wavy, curly hair. So let me see what kind of tricks I can do to make it look like that. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I put my hair down. Hers is parted in the middle. So this is as good as like my middle part's gonna be because I have like way too many like cowlicks going on. I'm waiting for my curler to heat up. And I'm gonna try and figure this out. I don't know how to make my hair look short. I have layers, so I'm trying to think if I could just do like my top layer of hair and curl it. Like I don't know how to explain them. Let me just see if I can show you guys. Okay guys, this looks kind of crazy, but let me explain what I'm gonna try and do. I literally grabbed the shortest layers of my hair because hopefully once it's curled, it'll be like even shorter. And then we'll go from there. So what I did was grab my shorter layers and I tied all the longer ones down. And then I did the same on this side. I'm just gonna I'm just going to curl this hair that's loose and not tied back. We'll see how that looks and then go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna use a wand today because hers look more like they're curls, but they don't look like full on like curls, you know what I mean? Let's get started. For her curls are pretty thin. Maybe I'll do them a little bit smaller so my hair just kind of seems fuller. I always get nervous doing this with acrylics because it like melts your nail off. Yeah, her like see how shorter that is? It looks better. But as it falls, it's gonna be longer. So I don't know, we'll just see kind of how it goes. Okay guys, so I just curled them. I know it looks crazy right now and nothing like her hair, but I'm gonna let them like cool down because I still have to finish the lip part. So I don't know what lip is gonna work the best because she has like a nude, like a glossy nude. Let me try this one. This is Teddy from, I think it's Maybelline, or Milani, my bad. And she kind of has thin lips, so I'm not gonna overline mine. Sorry, Brody's down here. He just woke up from his nap. What's the matter, bub? I'm gonna, hey, stop. Kids, man. Take a little bit off and I'm gonna put a nude gloss on top of it. I'm still gonna let these cool down before I kind of style it, and I'll be right back. Now with this, I'm just going to run my fingers through it a little bit. These curls don't look like hers, like at all. I feel like her hair is way shorter than mine, one, and two, I'm pretty sure she probably used a smaller wand or smaller curler, whatever she used, because hers are like way tighter. Does it look like I have short hair? Like if you didn't see like these gaps back here, it kind of looks like I have short hair. Right? Now the way she posed her picture, her hair is down. I just don't really like how that looks on me. I'm gonna change into a black shirt and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my black shirt on. She has like a long sleeve black thing, and then like this side doesn't have the sleeve. I don't really know, but I don't have a shirt like that, and I'm not cutting this one. So this is as good as we're gonna get. Oh, it's dirty. I'm not happy with my hair, but I don't really know what else to do to it to kind of look like hers. Hopefully like if I can get the right angle or something for a picture, it'll look more like her. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and try to do.
Alright guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much. Once again, I also forgot to film the outro. I got a little crazy when Brody woke up from his nap and I just totally forgot. But please like this video if you think I came close to achieving Vanessa Hudgens look. And please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.